Well, Alicia, why do you go to the hospital?
I go to the hospital to see the doctor.
Well, why do you go to the fish market?
I go to the fish market to buy fish.
Alicia, why do you go to the children's park?
I go to the fish. I go to the children's park to have fun.
Well. Why do you go to the English class?
I go to the English class to learn English.
Why do you go to the bookshop?
I go to the bookshop to buy books.
Why? Why do you go to the playground?
I go to the playground to play games.
Well, that's nice. Right.